Today's 2 Minutes of Science is all about building a very simple rubber band powered car. It comes in a kit, packaged, very inexpensive, not too many pieces to deal with, and like most package kits like this, it turns out that there's a single part that's missing in the environment, and that is one of the pieces that's associated with holding the rubber band at the far end. Is not necessarily something that can't be dealt with. As you can see, we can assemble the other pieces, the wheels and so forth. Now the rear or front wheels, however you want to talk about it, the two wheels that are pretty close together, they have a fairly large amount of friction associated with them, so they're going to make it difficult for this car to make much progress, even with a lot of power. But first, let's deal with the missing piece. So it's basically a hook that can be attached to the end. Barring that, we have various kinds of hooks and even a screw eye. Now the screw eye is the smallest and would fit within the wood container best, and so that's what we'll go with. It's not necessarily necessary to have a hook. You can still attach the rubber band to it with the screw eye, and so that's what we'll do. And then we'll go ahead and test and make sure that all of the parts work, including powering the rubber band by turning it counter to the way you want it to turn in order to pull the car or push the car, depending upon how it's oriented. It's pretty straightforward, easy to build. The bottom line is that it's boring, and so we're going to do some upgrades for it, but that will be in another 2 Minutes of Science.